Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. And today I am coming along with a what I received from a swap, and this was a Christmas in July swap that was hosted by Ursula from Arctic Glam on Instagram. I also believe she's on YouTube, not too sure. Oh my goodness, like you guys know me. It was a Christmas in July. We were partnered up. It was a one-on-one. So we had to send each other a mini pocket with at least 2 layers, a beaded item, a craft your choice, and Sherry a crafty item from your stash. And my partner, lucky to me, it was Mary from Cut Glue Relax. I want to say and relax. Okay, I'm looking at her thing right here. She did insert a note on here, and you guys, I opened it, and I don't know where the note. Oh, here's the note. Partner, hello, here's the note. So anyway, so it's basically she said she was glad to be partnered up with me, and she had fun creating, and yeah, so this is what the package should look like. She did say that she opened it a few times, and because she forgot to put stuff in there, or vice versa. So let me go ahead and open this. So I did pre-open it so that way I can save some time with me having to, you guys know me. I always take forever just to cut stuff out and everything. There you go. Ooh, she sent me some candy, which will be gone by the end of the day. So here are what she. Oh my goodness. So I will link her down in the description below. She is on both Instagram and on YouTube. So let me go ahead and open the last one up. And ooh, I like the purple. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? So she sent me a rosette with 2 mini rosettes. How cute. Love, love, love it. Oh my goodness. So that's purple on out here and white over there. Oh, how cute is that? I love it. And let's see that. You guys, so my favorite thing, or I guess not anime, or usually Christmas time, is this a snowman. So you guys, yay. And oh my goodness, she sent me a cute little shaker, snowflake shaker. Oh my goodness, I'm like losing like my cabeza on my words. Oh my goodness, how cute are these? And then she sent me some poinsettias. Aren't these cute? Oh my goodness. And I'm always wondering where you guys get the middle from. I've been looking for them. Brenda from oh my goodness, Brenda's Creations told me that they're on what is that place? Temu. I'm not shopped in Temu at all yet. I don't think I am either, so I don't know. Anyway, so here you go. Oh, so here is her cute. Oh, pocket letter. Okay. And let me see. She put anything in the middle. So she put some ribbon on here. Cute is that? Love the colors. Love this one, and this one. Oh my goodness! And she sent me some little cute little what are these called? Like little cabochons, but I like that they're miniature. I love them. And then she sent me this. This is a little cute like keychain. Oh, okay. So it's 2 of them. I could always pull it apart and reuse one, or reuse each one in a different project. Oh my goodness. And then she sent me the, oh my goodness, how cute is this? How cute is that? Oh my goodness, this is the cutest. I love this. This is cute. Can you guys tell? Sorry if my hands are dirty, you guys. I've been working on a few swaps. I've been joining swaps. I have a tendency of doing challenges for like a few weeks, or a few challenges, like say a month or 2, and then I go over to swaps and start doing swaps, and then vice versa. So so cute. the penguins. So make sure there's nothing in the middle. No, okay. Like a little folding card. Okay, so I can reuse this if I want to as well. Thank you. So I'll leave this back in here because you guys know it will take me forever to put it back. And how cute is that? How cute! Love it! Love it! I love the poinsettias. Can always reuse them, especially this color. Oh my goodness, I've hardly see anybody do purple. So that is cute. And then here is a card. How cute is that? And I think she painted these. How creative is that? What is that? And this must be from her stash. Love it. Oh my goodness, how cute. Oh my goodness. And then I think, is that it? I think there's one more, but let me make sure if I'm not missing on anything else. Oh, let me put this over here. Pocket letter. That's where I put it at. Right here. Love it. So there you guys go. And oh, love that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Oh, these are like ornaments. Okay. So did you use stickers? Mary, did you use stickers for these? Oh, wait. How did you do these? How cute are these? I love these. Oh, I gotta go watch your channel and see if you created these or you purchased these like this. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is an ornament. You guys can't tell. Oh my goodness. And then she added this cute little bling on there. How cute. I love this. So put it on my tree. And then you guys go. And here is another one. Oh, this is pretty. So I have some acrylic. So this is a good idea to do. Oh, did you use stickers? What did you use? I love it. Oh my goodness. Love that. Oh my goodness, this is cute. And then I love this too. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Mary, for being my partner. You guys go over, check her out. Show her some love and support. And again, she is cut, glue, relax. I want to say and relax. Alrighty, anyways, you guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. And we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.